guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a full tutorial on this look right here. This is kind of like a pre-fall makeup look. This of course have a little bit of red, like this burgundy-ish, dark brown. So I'm loving it. Can't wait to start seeing the leaves falling. Well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me guys know what you think of this video. See you guys. Bye. So I already have my face moisturized. One of the first thing I'm going to do is use the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. Really helps a lot with my oily skin, and you'll see why. So I first go ahead and add it onto a brush and just get it all over. A little bit more. Mostly focusing on my T-zone area, but I do tend to get oily other places as well. Alright, so next I'm going to use my loose face powder. I'm using the Airspun. So I'm just going to dab that on. And then just press it onto my skin. That way it really soaks up all of the oil. It does look a little weird right now, but it's all gonna pay off in the end. So. Just a little bit more. I'm going a little bit overboard. Guys, for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Sephora 10 Hour Perfection Foundation in the color 57. And I'm going to be using the sponge. That way I can make sure that all of the primer, the eyeshadow primer and the powder that I put on really stays on my face. It's not moving around. Alright, so just get a couple of pump of that. One thing I have noticed with using this technique, especially with using the eyeshadow primer, I do end up using a lot more foundation than I would using a brush, because I'm really just dabbing it in, so I do end up using more, because I tried using the foundation brush, but I noticed that it was making a lot of streaks on my face, and the primer and the powder, it was not sticking to my face. So this technique does really work a lot better. I have to get more of this foundation. It's almost done, and ever since I've had it, I've been using it every single day pretty much. It's such a good foundation. It really does what it said it does. It really does what it's supposed to do. I do look a little bit red, orangey right now, but it does oxidize. So don't mind a weird look. Alright, just a little bit more. I do like a full coverage, so. Putting down some on my neck as well. My neck is a lot darker. Well, not that much darker, but it is darker than my face. So some in the ear as well. Let me know if you guys have tried this technique for oily skin, the eyeshadow primer with the Face Loose powder, and how it's worked for you guys. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution in the color C12. I got this concealer, I would say about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it is seriously the best concealer I have ever used. And it smells so good too. I really like that this concealer, it stays in place, it does not streak or anything like that. Now to set that, I'm going to be using the Airspun Face Loose powder again with this one. So my video stopped recording while I was doing the contour, but I used the Black Radiance around here, of course, in my nose. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows real quick. All done. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is going to set my eyebrows just a little bit with whatever is left in the from the powder, because it does get oily as well. A bit of face powder, just a little bit. This is the e.l.f. one. I've used this so much, I don't even know what the name of the color is, so just dab that all over to set my face a little bit more. Alright, so of course for my eyes, I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow primer to help keep everything in place and last longer. For my crease, I'm actually going to be using a blush. This is called the Cinnamon Stick from Mary Kay. Really doing a cut crease, but I like to put the concealer on my lid. I really feel like it does help the eyeshadow stick out more. doing like a dark brown smoky color, so I'll probably go with that. Let's do this. So this is a color from this dark brown. I'm going to line my eyes. So let's do my mascara, and I'm going to put my eye brush on. And for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Lancome in Ebony Black. Add this color right here, my tear duct. For my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX matte lip liner in the color Club Hopper. Back in the days when people just used to wear lip liner like this and didn't even used to put any lip gloss or lipstick with it. And I use the this right here, the Velvet Matte. It's from Victoria's Secret. It's in the color Drama. I love this, it's really good. It lasts long, it smells good. See you guys in my next video. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.